Yes, ma'am. Thank you for calling back. So this is the tax liability program line. Are you calling regarding the program, ma'am? Do you have an outstanding debt, or did we get you by mistake?
I do have some debt, but I'm not sure how you guys got my information.
Okay, so our marketing department, right now the tax season is coming up. They got information through the IRS database. We are a private firm, but we are offering free consultations. Our tax specialist will be able to review your case with you, give you options, but there's no obligation or commitment. Again, it's a free consultation just so you can know where you stand and what your options are to resolve it.
Okay, and what is the name of your company again?
It's called a tax resolution firm.
Is that the name of the company, Tax Resolution Firm?
Right. But we work with licensed tax agents, so there's different agents throughout the states. They're the ones with the credentials. They're the ones that can give you a website and their credentials as far as their license numbers and things like that. We just kind of pre-qualify the individuals and they transfer them over to the tax specialist.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Would you like to speak with one?
Sure.
Okay. So what state are you calling from?
Wisconsin.
Thank you, ma'am. I was just going to say, I don't know if you're a football fan, but Green Bay is my team.
Are they really? You must be disappointed like the rest of us.
I know. One of my nieces went to Berkeley when Aaron Rodgers used to be at Berkeley, so I got to meet Aaron Rodgers a while back.
Oh, wow. That's very cool. That's a good story.
Yeah, so I was kind of disappointed on that.
Yeah.
Not a problem, ma'am. I have a phone number I have listed here on my caller ID.
Yes.
And may I have your name, ma'am?
My name is Judy.
Thank you, Judy. And your last name?
And my last name is Smith, Smith. So where are you located if you're a Packer fan? You're not here though.
I'm in Southern California.
Okay.
I'm in City of Industry to be exact, LA County. Right, but like I said, I met Aaron Rodgers when he was in Berkeley out here. My niece went there, so I got to meet him through my niece.
Very cool.
Not a problem. What's the amount that the IRS claims you owe?
I don't have the exact number in front of me. I think it's a few $1,000s or something.
Okay, not a problem. Now, besides the debt, have you skipped any years on filing taxes? Or are you current with your tax filings?
I'm current with my tax filings.
Okay, so Ms. Smith, let me place you on hold. Let me get a specialist from Wisconsin to help you. They'll be the ones assisting you further, but I'll be on the line to make sure you get properly connected. It'll be a few seconds, okay? I'll be right with you, ma'am.
Okay. And he's connecting me now with a tax specialist.
Hi, is this Judy?
Yes, this is.
Hi, Judy. How are we doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. A lot of times when we ever ask our clients, they never ask us how we're doing. But yes, my day's doing pretty good. A little long, but it's good.
Yeah, I hear you. Same here. It's a long day.
Perfect. Now, Judy, I see here you owe roughly about $5,000 in back taxes. Can you tell me a little bit how we got ourselves in this position?
I'm just, to be honest with you, I'm not really sure.
Okay. Do you know if you have unfiled taxes or unpaid taxes, or you're just calling because you received a notice?
I'm just calling because I received a notice.
Okay. Well, typically when you receive a notice, we get information through public records that the IRS state release when it comes to any type of discrepancies on accounts. Now, a lot of times there can be errors, especially with the IRS just, having all types of issues right now. But I can ask you a few questions. I'll be able to determine if you do or not. Are you current on the last 5 years on your filing requirements?
I believe so. Can I just ask you a quick question? I'm just curious. So you guys, you don't work directly for the IRS, correct?
No, we work alongside them, but no, we are not the IRS, nor do we say we're the IRS. Now, what we're comprised of tax attorneys, CPAs, and enrolled agents. We're a law firm that's licensed by the Department of Treasury. So that's how we're able to gain privilege on any account when there is an issue. But if you're unaware, if you are receiving a refund or received a refund, like I said, there could be an error and you can go ahead and disregard this.
Okay, so what is the name of the company that you work for?
It's called tax relief.
Tax Relief. Okay, and are you guys
Correct.
also, are you based in California?
We have
That's-
multiple locations,
Oh,
but like
okay.
I mentioned, it doesn't seem like you have an issue, so you can go ahead and disregard this message, okay? Best of luck.
All right. Well, since he got no information from me and says it doesn't seem like you have an issue, that means that that's probably an individual or a company or an organization or whatever that is trying to prey upon people who may or may not owe back taxes or have some sort of issue with the IRS. So, as always, we want to encourage people to make sure to ask those questions like I asked. What company are you with? What's your name? Ask information. And in the first place, if you're receiving an unsolicited call from someone, that's almost always a red flag. You got to watch out for that. Some BBB tips to really consider when you are looking to do your taxes or worried about something with your taxes. Make sure to only deal with a trustworthy tax preparation service or tax preparation company. Check bbb.org, look at their BBB business profiles, see if they're a BBB accredited business or not. All these can help to save you some time, money, and headache in the long run by doing your research on these companies before you work with one. Protect your PII, that's personal identifiable information. Protect that like it's your money, like it's gold. So that's such things like your birth date, social security numbers, bank accounts, any information about yourself can go on to the scammer and they can use that against you and steal your identity. Sometimes, even if you just give them a few clues to some of your information, they can look other things up online and piece those things together to use against you. So make sure to really protect that personal identifiable information. Be sure to check any websites very carefully. The real IRS website is just irs.gov. That's going to be the website that you're looking at for real information from the Internal Revenue Service, from the IRS. So check that when filing taxes electronically, or if you're just looking for information or somebody to contact, go to irs.gov. No other website is going to be the legitimate IRS other than that one. And finally, if you get tax related information delivered electronically, either from your employer or any other entity, treat that information very carefully. Download it onto a password protected computer. Be sure to guard that information very quickly and understand how tax scams can work. Be on guard for some red flags, like if they're calling you unsolicited or they're pressuring you to act quickly, they're saying you owe money. Those are all scare tactics that scammers use all the time to get you to fall for their scams and give them your money or your personal information instead of a legitimate agency. Check out these BBB tips at bbb.org. Please like, share, comment. Let us know about scams that you've heard lately. As we get closer to tax season, these tax related scams are going to become super popular. So please let us know if you've received any calls, emails, text messages like this. Thanks for watching.